Hey everybody, this is Robin from Violet Botanical Skincare, and welcome back to Work With Me Wednesday. You know I love it when you join me in the lab, and today I have a DIY project for you. We are going to make some bronzing oil, and it's a good way to get a nice bronzy golden glow without the damaging effects of the sun's UV rays. Now, it only takes 2 ingredients to make this bronzing oil. You need the marula body oil, and you need ethically sourced mica powder. Now let's talk about this for a minute. And the reason why I say ethically sourced, because a lot of mica powder use child labor and exploitive practices. So you want to make sure when you purchase your mica powder that you vet that company and make sure they do not use any of those unethical practices. Now, I got this mica powder from Slice of the Moon, and you can get this from their website. And they do not use suppliers who use unethical practices. So now that we have our ingredients, and I got all of that out of the way, all the housekeeping out of the way, let's get to making this mica powder so you can get your glow on. So now that we have our ingredients all set out, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY bronzer. So we're going to take some of our marula body oil. Now I'm only making a small amount here, so I make a small amount. So I pour some of the oil. I pour some in there into the beaker, or you can get a container. And then I slowly add the mica powder. And like I said, I have bronze. They come in all different colors. You have to find the color that you think will best match with your complexion. And I take a little at a time, and this is what the mica powder looks like. It's shimmery, it's natural, but again, you have to watch how it is sourced, if it's ethically sourced. Now they do have synthetic mica powders. If you're fine with that, you can use a synthetic mica powder, and then that you know that they're not using any unethical practices. And I take a little at a time, and I add it to the oil, and then I mix it. And you want to go a little at a time. You see there, I'm mixing it. Look at how that color changed that quickly. And I use very, very little. And you want to mix it. And look at that nice color. Look at that nice bronzy color we have. It's a nice bronzy color. So I'm going to test a little bit and see how I like it. I'm going to test it on my skin and see how I like it. Can you see that there? Oh, there we go. And I'm going to rub it in. And see what kind of glow I get there. Okay, and I'm going to add a little more of the mica powder to it. Just a wee bit more. And it just gives that nice shimmer, that nice glow to it. And then I'm going to stir it around again. Let me show you. Stir it around. Look at that nice coppery color that it gets. Stir it around. Make sure you get it in there all combined good so that it doesn't clump or anything like that. If you put too much, too fast, first of all, you can come up with the wrong color, and secondly, it can clump on you. But if you do, you just have to add more oil. So that's why I like to go a little at a time. So I'm going to try this again. Let's try it on this side. And let's put a little drop on there. Oops. And let's see if we can get that. And we can get a little drop on there. And I'm rubbing it in here. And I can already see that bronzy glow. See that bronzy glow? Now let's look at the difference between the part that has the mica powder oil and the part that does not. See that nice glow? And all that took were 2 ingredients, and that is our marula body oil and ethically sourced, remember, ethically sourced mica powder. So thank you for joining me today with Work With Me Wednesday. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to sign up for our newsletter down below. If this was sent to you by a friend, sign up for the newsletter so that you can get these videos and more each week in your mailbox. I thank you for joining me, and I will see you next week.